In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple signatures in DocuSign. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, I want to click on the Get Signatures tab like so. Now from here, we want to go ahead and upload your document. So wherever you've got your document saved, mine's on my desktop. So go ahead and upload that document. So I've got this example real estate contract. Now, if we need multiple people to sign this, click on to add recipients and then go ahead and put in those people. So that's the first one needs to sign. And from there, we want to go ahead and add another recipient. So I'm going to add another account like so. So you can add as many as you want. Now we can set the signing order, so click onto that and then say if I want Tutorial is to be first, I want to drag him up like so, and then he's going to be the second, so I want to make him the second one. Well, that didn't work. Just go ahead and say if I want Luke to be first, I want to click on that, click first, and then that too, so you can change your order like that. So you can add as many recipients as you want, as far as I'm aware. And then we can also add a message, select category, click next to send this to the people that need to go ahead and sign. Now from here, click onto got it, and then put the signature field here where they need to sign. So go ahead and put the sign button here, the date as well, and then your stamp if you've got any stamps and initials, and then click send.